Dear Diary, it would have been fun to solve this problem within the family. To buy a car. Why do I care about this? I have never had the problem of not having a car. I have always had a car available. I would have liked Oscar to have a car also. Sometimes he he likes decently. Sometimes he thinks better than a borrowed car. I think he understands or would understand if I just could explain to him. But he doesn't give me time to present the text. He probably thinks that I'm ridiculous, convoluted, curmudgeon, maybe jealous, that I don't think he should borrow a car. Have your own car. I surf on Mercedes up to 80,000 kronor and up to 1986. Preferable diesel, but I'm not going to help my son with any car. Take the attention away from the car world. Let everything be. Save money. Put away. The idea is that I should be able to save. I can't if we're going to buy a car. Please, please, never mind how Oscar solves his car situation. He must be allowed to solve it in the way he wants. He probably thinks it's unnecessary pain on my part. Why should I care? Why should I get involved? Don't know. The job can really be dead quiet. You can hear a tractor falling in the air, not pin without the diesel tractor. No pin without the diesel tractor. A Volvo, a red one, here it comes. It thumps on the floor, on the carefully laid out plastic mat. Plastic carpet is absolutely superb. Is there anything better? Tiles and clinker? I don't know. Tiles and clinkers want to crack if you stress them. Perhaps the best is a straight concrete floor. This is perhaps the best option of all. You simply paint the concrete floor gray. Now there is an employer on the job who says that she wants to read my text. An employee. And I'm not ready. I don't want anyone to read what I have written yet. I prefer to write everything before I share my text. Now there are two sitting talking at the computer next to it, Bjarne and Marina.